Hi folks, welcome back to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Today we're going to replace the number plate lights. I've ordered some new complete LED replacement units. I'll put a link for those in the description below. Another quick and easy fix, and these are super bright. These are just held in by two screws, your old ones. I've already taken the screws out of there. I'll just pull this. Just pull out. This is your old unit. And that's held in by a clip there. Now this is a simple, easy fix. The new ones will just push back into your connectors. And then what we'll do later on tonight, we'll show you how bright they actually are against the number plates. So it's a simple case of screwing these back up again. And we'll get over and do the other side, and we'll show you the finished product later. Now there's two screws under here on both sides. You might find they've been there that long, you might well have rusted up, so just be mindful of that. Maybe a bit WD-40 on the screws. Screw. There's the second one. Okay. So again, just tease your old unit out, and you want to get all of these two clips on the top there. Pull that out. Again, it's simple. Put your clips back in, push it up tight. Then simply reverse the process and screw them back up. So once we've done that, later on when it is dark, we'll give you a good view with the lights on and you can see how bright it is. Catch you later. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the Monkey's Uncle Dubs Club. Thanks for watching.